Here I have SOYES S10 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open the contacts, then you have to select the contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to add a photo, then you have an option to take a photo or just select photo from your gallery. Here you have to select your photo which you want to add. Then you have to adjust it, and then tap save, and then tap here to confirm it. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.